With that, we need to remove the plastic trim. So I will start with the plastic pin since we have a little clamp at the corner. Oopsie, that was close to breaking that piece. So then we're gonna have two kind of type of pins that is shaved into the panel. And now, since the cup holder is not closing all the way, it's gonna be a little challenge, but we're all good. So as you can see, the next step is going to be, I'm assuming I'm not gonna be able to get to the screws while the cup holder is open. Just looks like shiza. Next step is gonna be undoing the filled head screws. It's not, oh, it's broken. Okay. Oh, I see the problem right now. That piece shouldn't be here. The next one is the passenger side. And the passenger side also have a small problem. It opens up, but the panel doesn't go all the way. It just does not pop down. So this one looks like fine. Oh, but I see the problem right here. So simple problem to fix, and is working as it should. Remove the cup holders, and apparently this one is not closing all the way because that spring right here, which is supposed to pull or do whatever with the cup holder, just open it up and see what is going on. So it's simply holding with the clamps. Okay, apparently this is just a cover, and I can see now where did it came from. At the corner right here we have the cutout, and apparently a little piece goes into it, and that's how we're gonna have that little guy working here. So the only way to pull the shelf right here, it's gonna be two springs at the bottom. So I got two flathead, goes this way, it goes right here. It's not quite there yet. It's going, and it's not going. Okay. Let's check this side. That little guy right here. Yeah, that was a good call. We need to pull it out of the gear first. And then, oh, I see now. The clamp is broken right there. My best bet is gonna be add something onto it, like a zip tie, and make sure it stays outside, or it stays up there. So let me get the zip tie, just loop it up, try to get it from this perspective, get a little loop on it. Hey, somehow I did catch a piece right there. So let's see if we're gonna be able to use it after all. We got that popped back in. Now we have to slowly pop that guy back. Oh, look at that, it's working. It's just springing back on a full speed. We wanted to install the gear right here, which is gonna smooth the action. Okay. Yeah. Haha, look at that. So now it's working perfectly fine. Hops. Nice. Might be, it's not that smooth of an action as the OEM one, the brand new one. But you know what? I'll take it. Instead of spending like 30, 40 or 50 bucks for the new unit, up to me, this one working just fine. But let's check it out what is going on inside this one, because the structure is a little different. Even the tabs are quite different. But I'm assuming the idea behind this is exactly the same. Ooh, not quite. The spring is actually, as you've seen, spring just rolled back onto the plate right here. This one is pretty much exact the same, but right now we wanted to aim it everything back to make sure that we have everything connected. Slide the feet, the front legs, and then make sure we are looking good here. And lock the mechanism. All set. And apparently this one working as well, no problem. Plastic here and there, everything is disintegrating to the point of the body and the clamps is not broken, or the locking right here, locking point. We should be just fine if we have the spring broken. So now you know how to replace or actually fix the cup holder if they stuck closed or stuck open and then they not closing. Might be that guy, the lock just pop out. So if I go into shift the lock to the right, it's actually going to open it manually. So like I said, you know, idea, if the action is not smooth, means that spring or that gear right there is just pop out and probably just fell down. Better off just remove the piece, inspect it, and don't be scared. Now you know how it looks inside. So if you did like the video, please put the thumbs up button there, subscribe my channel, and leave me a comment below. I'll see you in the next one.